this video and want to see more, then please subscribe to the channel. So welcome to a short video and welcome to a sunny day in June in the UK. I'm back in my XKR. So the car's been off the road for around about 4 months. I've done a front suspension rebuild and sorted some of the rust out at the front end as well, and it's taken a while due to work commitments, etc. But one of the things I wanted to just show on video, it's widespreadly available on forums, but I just wanted to show it, I haven't seen it on YouTube, is the window reset procedure. Now, my battery went flat completely. I didn't put any sort of charging maintenance onto it foolishly. So since then I have completely recharged the battery, and that's good. But what that means is the windows lose their memory. So both the coupes and the convertible are a frameless door, and which basically means that the window needs to drop out of the seal in order to open the door, as I'm sure you've all noticed. So when you pull the handle, you'll see the window drop, and when you close the door, what it should do is it should lift back up into the seal, which it doesn't. So you open the window again and it comes down further. So the way in which you do that is really quite simple. So you got the window up and down. So the first thing I do, I press the down switch all the way down until you hear a click. So I hope you heard that click, and then you do it all the way up again and keep pressing the button until you hear it click again. So now I'm hoping that's now reset it. There you go. So using the left hand switch, I'll do the same on the other side. Give it a little click. And that's both of them reset. So I hope this has been of some sort of use to some people. As I said before, it's widely available on forums, and I'm sure it's something that most people have had to do. But happy motoring. Thank you.